Booking a collaboration with me, the librarian, is really easy. Booking the flex spaces and the classrooms in the library is also an easy process. This is a how-to video explaining how to book any of these locations. The first thing you must do is go to the McNair webpage. Click on the Library tab. On the left-hand side, you will see Collaboration and Classroom Booking tab. On this page, you have the option of booking with me. I can provide many wonderful lessons. I can collaborate with you and assist with technology. This booking can be done in the library, or I can come to your classroom. If you would like to book with me just to plan something, we can do that too. I can come during your conference time, or before school or after school. You can book the classrooms in the library. The right side classroom is the side with the tall tables, and the left side classroom has short tables and a document camera that also hooks up to the projector. This side also has a 3D printer, which I would like to put to use this year. So book this side of the classroom with some great ideas. You have the option of booking Flex Space, Space X, or no name Flex Space upstairs. So how do you do this? Well, it is very easy. To book, you click on the yellow circles. If you would like to book the left side classroom, choose the yellow circle. This will bring you to a You Can Book Me page. You have a tab at the top that will allow you to view dates and times that are available. As you can see, all of these dates and times are available. If you would like to book, choose your period and click. You will enter your first name, last name, email address, and pick the duration of time that you would like to use the space that you are booking. You have the option of booking up to 3 hours and 40 minutes in the morning. This will book you first through fourth period. If you would like to book the space for the entire day, you will have to choose to make a second appointment. The lunch period creates a little bit of a difficulty with You Can Book Me. So unfortunately, you will have to make 2 bookings to go ahead and book the entire day. Once you've chosen your duration of time, click I'm Not a Robot and confirm your booking. So that's fantastic. All of your dates and times will go directly into the You Can Book Me calendar, and it will block it off so no one else can book these times. In order to check to see who is in these spaces or who has booked times with the librarian, each one of these is also connected to its very own Google Calendar. To look at the calendar, you click on the calendar icon next to the space that you booked. This takes you to the calendar. Right here in the top corner, it will tell you the calendar, library left side classroom. As you can see, no one has booked this at all. When you book your collaboration with me, this will take you to my personal calendar. And you can see what I have going on, and you can see the availability of my calendar. Please feel free to book these spaces. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please remember that's what the library is for. We are here to serve you and assist you and make your job easier in any capacity that we can.